If you accidentally type yuo for you, Excel automatically corrects it for you. This correction feature is called AutoCorrect feature. What Excel does is it keeps a dictionary of all the mistakes that you can make and the possible correction action. And that dictionary, you can edit it or make changes to it using File, Options. On the left menu, click on Proofing, AutoCorrect Options. And under the AutoCorrect tab, if you scroll all the way down, you will see yuo, which will be replaced with u. Likewise, if you type yuor, it will be replaced by your. And if you want to create your own replacement, like for example, if I want to replace my name with, say, Bill, hit add. So I've added. So every time I enter my name, it will be replaced with Bill. If you click OK and OK, now if I type my name and hit enter, it will always be replaced by Bill. This auto correction function is also useful to apply special characters. Like for example, if I go File, Options, Proofing, AutoCorrect Options, you can see if you do open parenthesis C, close parenthesis, it'll give you the copyright symbol. If you want to put a euro symbol here, open parenthesis, E, close parenthesis. Let's try that. Open parenthesis, C, close parenthesis. It'll give you the copyright symbol. And for euro, would be open parenthesis, E, close parenthesis, and give you euro.